Hey guys, I feel like I had to make this video because I had an extremely diminished sense of smell after COVID-19. There was a lot of things that I couldn't smell. I just wasn't getting the full impact of a lot of things that I was in contact with, and that began to worry me. I thought it was just a lingering effect of COVID, and I thought maybe it'd clear up, but it just kind of didn't. So I guess the deciding factor was one day I walked in the fish market and I asked the woman, I said, "Hey, does it smell like fish in here?" And she's like, "Of course it does." So I said, "I can't smell anything at all." I couldn't smell things like my favorite colognes or my favorite foods, or even if I was using the restroom, things like that. I couldn't smell any of those things. So I looked some things up, found articles about smelling essential oils, about 3 to 4 like daily, and I did that, and my smell came back. I'm living proof, and it's real.